question number 12 of exercise 2.2. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. What is the Ravi's present age? Here in question number 12, we have to find the present age of Ravi. But it is given after 15 years from now, means आज से after 15 years. Ravi's age is 4 times his present age. तो जो रवि की एज 15 ईयर बाद हो जाएंगी फ्रॉम हिज प्रेजेंट एज, वो कितनी हो जाएंगी? उसके प्रेजेंट एज के 4 टाइम्स. 4 टाइम्स मीन्स वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 4 टू हिज present age. Then we have to find his present age. Okay, this is again a question of age, so we let a present age of Ravi. Let's see the solution of question number 12. Okay, question number 11 में तो 3 पर्सन्स थे, बेचुंग, बेचुंग्स फादर, बेचुंग्स ग्रैंडफादर. तो वहाँ थोड़ा कन्फ्यूजन था कि किसकी प्रेजेंट एज लेट करें. तो वहाँ हमको देखना था कौन किसकी एज पे डिपेंड हो रहा है. बट यहाँ तो ओनली 1 पर्सन है विच इज़ बेचुंग. सो वी लेट द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ Beichung. Okay, let present age, so present age of Ravi, not Beichung. Present age of Ravi is x years. X years. Okay, we don't know what is the present age of Ravi, so we let present age of Ravi is x years. 15 years from now means after 15 years. 15 years from now, age of Ravi. 15 years from now, age of Ravi. What will be the age of Ravi after 15 years? If present age is x, then after 15 years, Ravi's age is x plus 15. Okay. If, for example, if your age is 14 years, so what will be your age after 15 years? So 14 plus 15, which is 29. Just like that, if present age of Ravi is x, so the Ravi's age after 15 years from now is x plus 15. But one thing is also given, that the age of Ravi 15 years from now is 4 times his present age. So the age of Ravi 15 years from now is x plus 15. For is we are using the sign of equal. Is 4 times. 4 times means we have to multiply 4 into 4 times his present age, and present age is x. So 4 into x. So x plus 15 and 4 into x is 4x. Now see, there variable x and variable x is in both sides, in LHS as well as in RHS. So first we'll transfer this x to the RHS side. हम 4x को LHS में भी ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं, बट हम यहाँ ट्रांसफ़र कर रहे हैं. So 4x minus x. 4x minus x is 3x. Now we have to find the value of x. So transfer 3 to the LHS. So 15 upon 3 equal x, or x equal 15 upon 3 is 5. So present age of Ravi is 5 years. Why? Because we let the present age of Ravi is x years and the value of x is 5. So that's why present age of Ravi is x years. Thus Ravi present age is 5 years. Okay, if 15 years from now, so we have to add 15. If it is given 15 years ago, so then minus 15. If 15 times, so multiply 15. Clear? So ऐसे वर्ड्स को आपको याद रखना है. After 15 years or 15 years from now, we have to add 15. 15 years ago, so minus 15 years before, so minus 15. 15 times, so into 15. Multiply the 15. That's it. This is the solution of question number 12.